Hello everyone, welcome to Supermart Store. Today I will introduce the smartest Camcorder HD video recorder to you. Okay, first let's see the package. Okay, then let's see what's in the box. In the box we will see the Camcorder DVR and USB charging cable, power bank, and English or Chinese menu. Okay, friend, next let's see the Camcorder DVR. Okay, we can see it is the smartest camera, and it can make photos or make DV. It's 1280 by 960 pixels and 500 millions MEGA pixel. Okay, friend, next let's see how to use it. First, we will insert our micro TF card. Then we should press the turn on button. Okay, then we will see the red light. If you want to make videos, okay, just press the mode button. Okay, then we will see the red light while flashing. Okay, it means it is working and make the videos. If you want to stop and save the videos, just press the mode button longer. Okay, we will see only the red light. It means it is already stopped and saved the videos. Okay, friend, if you want to make videos, just press the mode button again. We will see the blue light. Then press the mode button again. Okay. When we see one time blue light, it means it is have already make one photo. Okay, it's simple. Okay, friend, if you are interested in this camera, you can contact with us to order it. Okay, thank you everyone. Bye bye.